Hello all my friends, how are you today? I hope you stay at home. Today I will show you how to make headband like this. It's beautiful, isn't it? I hope you like it. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment and share my video. Now let's prepare the material that we will use to make headband. The materials are fabric, scissors, measurement tape, elastic, thread and needle, safety pin, straight pin, and clip. The first step, we cut the fabric. We need two kinds. This is the first. The length of 50 centimeter, and the weight 20 centimeter. We need two pieces, and this is the length of 25 centimeter and the weight of 8 centimeter. We need only one piece. Okay. Second step, we fold in half the fabric. Yeah. The right side facing the right side. After you secure with a straight pin, start sewing from this corner to here. Okay. All. Also from here to here. Okay. And then after you sewn, you turn the fabric inside out. Like this. And this one. Okay. That elastic rope, it's about 12, the length of 12 centimeter and the weight 2 centimeter. Take safety pin and you insert through the fabric. You insert and you start sewing from here to here. Also the other side. Okay. So here to here, and then you fold the fabric, this one, in half. This is the right side. Yeah, this is a bad side because this is the line of sewing here. Okay. Okay. And you fold in half. This is a good side. This is the line of sewing. Put in the middle. You fold and you fold. And sew from here to here. Like this. You also fold in half like this, but you cross. You tie like this. Okay. This one. You fold and fold. So from here to here. Like this. Okay. And then you turn. Okay, and the headband has been done. Thank you. Bye bye.